Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install iTunes on a Windows 10 computer using the Microsoft Store. Let's get started. First, go to your Windows search bar at the bottom left of the screen. Type Microsoft Store and click on it to open the app. Once the Microsoft Store opens, go to the search bar at the top. Type in iTunes and press Enter. From the search results, click on the iTunes app developed by Apple Inc. Now, click the Get button. The Microsoft Store will start downloading and installing iTunes automatically. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you can click Open from the same page, or you can go to the Start menu, search for iTunes, and open it from there. And that's it. You've successfully installed iTunes on your Windows 10 computer. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.